Hey, this is Steve LaRue team of realtors at Mcgrew Real Estate. I want to show you one of my favorite listings we got right now. It's at 1069 North 300 Road. It's a cool old farmhouse located pretty much on Highway 56, about 2 miles west of Baldwin Junction. Pretty cool architecture here. Let me show you around a little bit. Here we go from the front. It's kind of your original front door. The original part of the house was built in the 40s. It had this nice addition put on in the 90s. This is the new main front door. Come in here to this nice big open living room with tall vaulted ceilings. Got brand new carpet here. Some new laminate flooring into the kitchen and dining areas. All the appliances are included. These cool arched doorways. This skylight here. We got some of the original oak hardwood floors. Some cool built-ins. Built-ins over here. Over here we have a bathroom and a couple bedrooms. The original 2 bedrooms of the house. Laundry chute there. Not really in use anymore, but still kind of cool. Pine floors in the bedrooms, or at least in that bedroom. More built-ins here. So as we leave the kitchen, we're looking at that living room area again. Some great views out to the property. We've got 18 acres offered with this one. You have a main level laundry area here. Right there. See here, washer and dryer are included. Up the stairs again, new carpet. We have kind of the master area. Got this big loft here, great for a office area off the master if you wanted. And back here to the bedroom, some kind of cool vaulted ceilings. Big walk-in closet. It attaches to the master bath. Got some new faucets getting ready to be installed. It's now off of our living room area. You can actually walk out this great wraparound deck. Overlooks the property. We've got 4 outbuildings here. We'll take a look at them. Alright, so now I'll show you a little bit of the property. There is an attached 2-car garage here that leads into the house. We've got 2 barns. There's a lean-to building way in the back over there. We have a shop area with a concrete floor. Let's go walk through them. Alright, so here's the first barn we're going to go through. This lean-to area here. Alright, here's the next barn we're going to look at. For the animals. Located about halfway back the property, we got this building here. Closed in on 3 sides, open on the back. View of the back half of the property here. Fenced in, great setup for horses. Take a look at this building next. Alright, now we'll take a look at the shop. concrete floor, 2 single car stalls, great shop space. And that back door actually goes to a little lean-to storage area. All right, so there you go. That's 1069 North 300 Road, listed by me with the LaRue team of realtors at Mcgrew Real Estate. We're priced at $339,900, 18 acres, 4 buildings, 3-bed, 3-bath house. You should buy it today. Have a great day.